Had a little rainstorm earlier come through, and I was not home and left the window open. So, let's see. Blanket's a bit dank. This got a bit wet too. It's fine. Got water on the blade. Probably water in the motor. Water along the bottom of the cabinet. We'll see if it still works. High speed. Yeah, running just fine. Bit of water from the blades and stuff that just kind of splashed along the inside of the cabinet. This is perfectly acceptable. I'm gonna pull this out a bit soon, but you're on the air conditioner. Don't know. I've not used this in the past couple days. It's been so nice out. I don't think the fan's spinning. There it goes. I think the switch is a bit dodgy. The drain hole in this unit clogged up, I think, sometime last year. I've been too lazy to get a ladder out and climb up and unplug the drain hole. So it's been full of water. Probably not good since how minty this unit is. I should probably preserve it. I might pull this out and put a different one in here at some point. I just don't have any other units of this form factor that are disk-efficient. Well, I have some modern ones, but I don't really want to use a modern unit. Get the fan out, have a look at the back side. Yeah, I left a tag on it, so that got a bit moist. You can kind of see it's just like all coming out of the bottom there. Oh man. That sticker looks fine. Motor looks pretty wet, but I'll say I think it survived. Probably later tonight when it cools off, I'll stick this back in. It's already hot and humid in here anyway, so gonna need the air conditioner. I have the ceiling fan running in reverse on high speed. Turn this on too. Might also help. So yeah.